Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the Lexus NX 350. First, let's get comfortable and familiar with your vehicle. Take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors for the best view. Look over the dashboard to understand where key controls are located. Always make sure everyone is safely buckled in, and do a quick check around the car for any obstacles before you begin your journey. Now let's get the engine running and select your gear. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the start button. To move forward, simply shift into drive. If you need to back up, select reverse. Remember to always engage the parking brake when you're stopped, especially on inclines. For a more engaging experience, you can also use the paddle shifters to manually change gears. As you begin driving, focus on fundamental techniques for a smooth and safe ride. Always keep a safe distance from the car in front of you. Make it a habit to use your turn signals well in advance for every lane change or turn. Aim for gentle acceleration and braking to ensure a comfortable experience for everyone. Stay vigilant, constantly checking your mirrors and blind spots. Finally, let's cover parking and shutting down your Lexus NX 350. Take advantage of the rear-view camera and parking sensors to help you maneuver into tight spots. Once parked, always engage the parking brake securely. Turn off the engine and double-check that all lights are off before you leave the vehicle. For your security, remember to lock the doors as you exit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.